Good day, guys. Welcome to the channel, welcome to the vlog, and welcome to another day of good eating. My name is Eric Ye.
I'm Kaden. And I'm Devin, aka The Boys.
Alright, so we're shooting this during our quarantine period, and we were sitting around all day and we just couldn't do it any longer, so we had to make a drive out to our local streets just to see what was going on, and we drove by KFC. And interesting enough, when we drove by KFC, we saw a glazed donut chicken sandwich, and we just had to try it. So today we're gonna try their newest donut glazed fried chicken sandwich, and we're gonna top that off with something more unique. We're gonna try to build our own version of donut fried chicken sandwich with Krispy Kreme. We got some Krispy Kreme donuts right here, and some Chick-Fil-A chicken right here. So this should be an interesting video for us and hopefully for you guys as well. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's start off with KFC and see what this donut chicken sandwich is all about.
Okay, I'm gonna do this.
Oh!
Hey, it's stuck.
Tell everyone what you're doing.
I'm flipping the donut over, but seeing that it's got a little bit of Nathan, it got Nathified.
Show them up close what it looks like inside.
Okay, so inside,
hey, are you looking away?
Like this. 2 pieces of Kentucky Fried Chicken and donut with Nathan on top.
Okay, I'm gonna take a bite.
Yeah.
Right here is the crispy part.
Oh, your sandwich looks so clean.
Yeah.
Oh. I heard some crunch. Ooh, I can smell that that fried chicken, and then also I can smell that fried donut.
Is it very savory?
Very savory?
Chicken?
Yeah.
This isn't like Krispy Kreme donut. This is like dough, like donut.
Dough like a donut?
Yeah, this is a more savory donut.
More savory donut? Yeah, so they actually box it right here. This is the box that it comes in. And on the side, it almost looks like they put the glaze afterwards, right?
Yeah.
Because look, they spilled all this glaze over the box before I even opened it.
They spilled so much Nathan.
Oh gosh. Actually, you know, this is the bag that it came with. And I don't know if you can tell inside all that spilled glaze. Look at this.
Ew. Ew. So Nathan.
This is KFC spilled glaze. How is it?
Good.
It's very good.
Oh yeah? So what do you think we should do?
Save your votes.
Yeah, so I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to give a score for the donut by itself, and then we're gonna do a score with the chicken by itself, and then we're gonna give an overall score for the combined sandwich, and give that score to you guys. And then afterwards, we're gonna prepare our own do-it-yourself. Kaden, why don't you tell them what you think of the chicken sandwich?
All together?
So far.
Okay. The same as Devin. It's really good.
Yeah.
The donut's more on like it's less sweet. Even though there's a lot of Nathan on it.
Oh, show them that. Show them the inside of that donut.
Look.
Oh.
And then.
What's the first reaction you get when you bite into that chicken donut sandwich?
Juicy.
Juicy. Yeah, you know, at first glance, the chicken looks good. I like, it still looks a little bit crispy here. So I'm gonna take mine out of...
Look at the chicken.
Oh.
Look at my chicken.
Oh, show them, Devin.
Mine's so shiny.
Okay, so I'm gonna take mine out. Oh, look at this glaze. Oh, it's dripping. Look at this. Hopefully, after I take a bite of this, I don't go to cardiac arrest and just die. Because this is the ultimate artery clogger. I mean, 2 donuts, glaze, and the fried chicken. I mean, it's gonna knock me out. All right, here we go. Number 1.
Hopefully it will.
Oh yeah? Let's give this a try.
dies, sucker.
Grease. Lots and lots of grease. But flavor-wise is actually really good. I get a little bit of that sweet and savory at the same time. The chicken is actually quite good. But the donut, in my opinion, I don't know if you can see, it soaked up a lot of grease inside. So, just be prepared when you take a bite into this thing.
If you take a bite.
Yeah, if you take a bite into this thing, expect to kind of
Die.
yeah, or harvest a pool of grease in your mouth. I'm gonna go in for a second bite. This time I got a little bit more chicken. Oh. This is a messy meal. Look at this. My mouth is full of glaze. I'm gonna do this with the donut. Out of 10 points, okay?
Okay.
You guys have a score in mind?
Yes.
Release in 5, 4,
For the donut?
3, 2, 1. 7.
9.
So we got
7,
7,
8, 9.
No, 7, 8, 9.
So the average is 8. I'm in the middle.
That's right. So the average for the donut is a score 8 out of 10.
Okay, so now the chicken.
Now we're gonna go for the chicken, okay? Out of 10. Got your score in mind? You got your score in mind?
Yeah.
Okay. Score for the chicken in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
9.5.
6.
What?
What?
I
Hater.
Okay, you see like the
Okay,
chicken,
so
right?
tell us why you gave him a 6.
This is classic KFC chicken. I like it. It's just that the glaze that absorbed onto the chicken, I don't like the taste of it.
Oh, so you think the
Together.
glaze ruined the chicken?
Yeah,
It was too much glaze.
stupid.
So 9.5, a 9, and a 6. So what is that? 18 plus 6 is 24.5. So just a little bit over 8 is the average score. Right? So just a little bit over 8 for the average score for the chicken. Now, Devin and Kaden, we're going to rate this as a sandwich overall. Okay? You got your score in
So
mind?
out of 10.
Out of 10.
Okay.
Okay, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 8.
8.5.
8.5?
So it's majority rules.
Yeah, so it's just a little over 8,
So
right?
probably like 8.25.
Yeah.
I think
I know.
that
Look
the
at this.
flavor goes well together, but like if you eat just one by itself, it tastes kind of disgusting.
Look.
Yeah.
Look at the grease in the donut.
Yeah, I think the grease is the one that turns me off. And maybe just like this gigantic puddle of diabetes.
And Nathan.
Wait,
You won't
if you
understand.
listen closely, you could hear.
Oh, press that against the camera, show them.
Hold on,
Listen,
let me walk up
listen
it.
to this.
Okay.
Listen to all this grease.
I don't know if you could hear that.
I don't know if you can
But it
hear
sounds
this, but
pretty
I
gross.
can hear it. Look.
Oh.
I could hear it from here.
Oh
Oh,
yeah.
and I can hear like liquid coming out.
Liquid coming out?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's go ahead and try to see if we could build our own donut chicken sandwich. So what we did is
Colonel.
Are you
we
ready?
got some Krispy Kreme.
3, 2, 1. Shazam!
Oh!
Don't mind this. We
Yeah.
just got a little hungry.
Yeah, so apologies for the 4 missing donuts. We were too eager and excited to try some Krispy Kreme donut. But just to be fair, we got some glazed donuts right here.
And we also got
Chick-Fil-A.
Chick-Fil-A?
Shazam!
Yeah, show them the chicken. Show them the chicken.
Look at this. Okay,
Okay.
I'll just take a piece out. Look at this. Look at this.
Ooh.
Already?
Yeah.
It's smaller.
It's in
but
the shape of
look.
a pepper.
But look,
Ooh.
it's more golden.
These are gonna be the buns.
I can tell you why I'm gonna rate the chicken too.
Yeah? All right, so I'm gonna grab 2 pieces of chicken. These are boneless chicken from Chick-Fil-A, and I'm gonna stack it in between. This is our own do-it-yourself glazed donut fried chicken sandwich.
Guys, look. Watch.
Oh, show them. Show them how you're gonna build it.
I did this. Then I did this. Simple.
Oh, there's glaze all over my hand. Show them your hands.
More.
It's so greasy.
It's so greasy?
Oh my.
This is so good. Yeah. Let me go. 3,
Yeah.
2, 1.
Tell them what you're going through right now in your head. What's in your head?
This is better, okay?
Already?
Yeah. But the donut is more like fresh and it's like a real donut. And the chicken is like has more flavor, you know? Like it's more like peppery, kind of.
It's more peppery?
Yeah, peppery.
How's the overall experience?
Oh, I'll say it tastes less fattening, you know? Like
Less diabetic?
yeah, even though it's still diabetic, it tastes less diabetic.
What is it like? What is it like?
No, it's really good.
Is it?
I didn't even add that much Chick-Fil-A sauce, so I can't even taste it.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's sweet and savory at the same time.
But that's exactly what the KFC was.
No, this
Sweet
one
and
is just
savory.
savory.
Oh, it's just savory for you?
Oh, this one's
Same
really
for me.
good. Actually.
Really? You actually like it?
Mhm.
Oh, why?
Oh no, it's just the two flavors collide really well together.
Yeah? Well, since I have the two sandwiches right in front of me, the first thing I want to just talk about is just the appearance. I think our do-it-yourself donut just looks prettier.
It looks taller,
Right?
to be honest.
Yeah, this is KFC. Again, I only took 2 bites, right? But this is KFC's donut. And our donut.
Donut.
Yeah, donut. Our donut looks a little bit more pretty. But let's see if our sandwich... Oh! It broke.
Oh,
Get nade.
what did you do?
I want to see if our sandwich tastes better than KFC's.
Squeeze it.
Oh, man!
It's so big.
Dot.
Look at this.
It's like chunky.
Yeah, it's chunky. I put 2 pieces of chicken in here. All right, here we go. Mmm. Do you know if the chicken here has like some sort of spice?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's like peppery. Right?
it's peppery, right? So,
Look, you can even see it. Here, I'm gonna come closer to you guys.
yeah.
If you look real closely,
Mmm.
you'll see some of that pepper. Look
Ooh.
real close. Wait for it to focus. Oh, just one piece of chicken. Okay, it looks like it's not gonna focus. But there's pepper in there.
No, try it again. Here, I'll do it. This is the chicken.
This looks like an explosion. If you think about it.
So, with the chicken at Chick-Fil-A, I almost feel like it has like Frank's hot sauce. Like a buffalo, like a very diluted buffalo sauce. That's kind
Not
of...
fully in there.
Yeah,
but
it's not fully in there,
it
right?
feels like if you just like cook it over a
Yeah, yeah.
hot sauce fire.
Yeah. I actually didn't anticipate that. I thought this was just maybe just like, I don't know, salt and pepper,
Look
right?
at all this donut on my plate.
Oh, man.
Fattening 100.
Fattening 100.
Death's doorway.
Yeah, so I'm gonna give it another shot, so that I can remember what I'm gonna score our do-it-yourself donut chicken sandwich.
Okay, so our KFC donut sandwich is 8. We're gonna find out in a few seconds what
No, donut first.
our DIY donut sandwich will be.
All right,
So we're gonna do the donut first.
we're gonna do the donut first, but my mouth is confused right now.
Okay, take
It's
a
got
bite of
sweet,
it
it's
by
got
itself.
it's got sweet, it's got savory, it's got a little hint of spice.
Before we continue with this vote, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe with this video.
Yeah, I echo what he says.
Comment down below chicken yeet, and I'll give you 100 cookies.
All right, you guys got your score in mind for the donut?
Yes.
All right, 1 to 10.
The donut itself.
The donut itself.
Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 9. 10, 10, 9.
10.
All right.
9.5.
9.
A little higher than 9.5.
No, yeah, like 9.7.
Yeah. All right. I think it's I think it's probably fair to say the donut is really, really good because number one,
It's literally a donut shop.
yes, we got it from Krispy Kreme's Donut, right? And they specialize in just donuts. Well, they have some coffee and drinks and whatnot.
And
but
this is original Glazed.
Yeah.
It's the OG. It
Yeah,
always
so-
tastes good.
Best
of course, OG stuff always tastes the best, right? So, hands down, donut goes to Krispy Kreme or our do-it-yourself, right?
Never had any better donut.
Yeah. So actually, let's do the chicken now. All right. Chicken, 10-point score, 10-point scale. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
10.5.
10.
10, 9.5, 8.
8. That's average. Let's just say.
So I think we gave the chicken a slightly higher score than KFC.
Yeah, it has more flavor.
I like the chicken.
You do. Yeah. So why did you give it a perfect score?
Because I like the chicken.
Yeah, well, one thing I would notice, I want to say, is that it does have that spice. Again, it's that little, like, buffalo chicken sauce, but not covered all the way, right? Just like hints of it that I didn't expect from Chick-Fil-A. But KFC just has that traditional, call it salt and pepper, right?
Look at this. It says to dip or not to dip.
So Devin chose to dip, of course, right?
Huh?
Okay, so now we're gonna do the overall score for the sandwich
hold
that
on.
we made. What?
I will tell you why I gave it 9.5
Why?
instead of 10.
Why?
Because one, it has really good flavor, but it was just a little bit dry. That's why.
Oh, the chicken was a little bit dry.
Well, all
Wow.
chicken's dry on the
Wow.
rest, I think.
So actually, we did a KFC video in the past, and we compared that to Popeyes. So if you haven't had a chance, go check that out. We talk a little bit about KFC's fried chicken. We got to try their fried chicken here in the sandwich again. So see how those two videos compare after we finish filming this. I think that'll be an interesting watch. But let's go ahead and rate the overall sandwich
Okay.
in 10-point scale in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
9.5.
9.
9.5.
Average 9.
8. Okay. All right. So actually, it came pretty close then,
Not 9.
right?
9.
Right?
Yeah.
This barely just edged out the KFC sandwich, right? Because I think our average KFC sandwich was like just a little bit over 8, wasn't it? Our do-it-yourself chicken sandwich just edged out KFC's fried donut chicken sandwich just by maybe an average of a point, right? Interesting conclusion today. I'm sorry that we had to, dock KFC. I know you guys have been trying hard to come up with innovative and unique dishes, and we jumped on the wagon, we jumped on the chance to try it, but unfortunately, it still did not best out our do-it-yourself sandwich. So we're gonna wrap it up today. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Leave your comments below. Let us know if you had a chance to try this. Let us know if you enjoyed this video and whether you want to see other interesting videos such as this in the future.
And also subscribe, and it'll be like around here, here somewhere. And also don't forget to comment #ChickenEat. I will give you 2,000 cookies.
Oh
He
yeah.
said 100 cookies.
Devin, close it out.
Okay, don't forget to hit that notification bell, because if you want to see our videos, that bell down there, it's gonna remind you when we post new videos, and it'll keep you notified on when we upload.
Awesome. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video, and stay safe out there.
See ya.
See ya.